Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I went away from the Halloween. I went from bright to this set that's like very fall, very muted in my opinion. And the dips that I chose to use today are all from All Powdered Up. If you don't know about this brand, you need to go check out her website because she has some of the most gorgeous dips that I've ever seen. So this was my inspiration photo. And the reason why I did this manicure, I thought it was really gorgeous. All Powdered Up has this exclusive color from October 1st that's already sold out called Shifting Leaves. And that is like why I wanted to do this manicure, because I wanted to use shifting leaves. So what I'm going to do is use Cashmere Dreams on my middle and my thumb as like the base creamy background so that I could put the leaves on top of it. I know during my videos I'm usually such a chatty Cathy, but today I really just like the whole vibe of watching me work and do my thing without me talking your head off. So I'm going to use this glitter dip powder as kind of like the glitter that was in the inspiration photo. It's not as vibrant as the one in the inspiration photo, but it's okay. This is what I had to work with. I really like it. And I really like that this manicure is mostly glitter with only one solid nail, technically. Because although I put Cashmere Dreams on my thumb and my middle finger, it is going to be topped with a glitter. So 4 out of my 5 nails are going to be purely glitter. And I don't know if you guys are noticing. I know some people have mentioned that they've noticed in my past videos that my skin was very, around my cuticle area was swollen, inflamed, red. I recently discovered that I had an allergic reaction to one of my favorite brands' gel base and gel top coats, which I had been using with every single manicure. So I like literally removed it from my routine, and within 1 week my skin went back to normal. Just, it feels so good. It feels like there's not that irritation. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I was thinking about doing a whole video and talking about my struggles that I've had with my skin over the past year, because I started getting contact dermatitis to acetone last November, and it was like a gradual increase in irritation until I like completely stopped soaking because I started using peel base and I found things that made it all go away. And then when I started using this specific gel, it was actually a gradual allergic reaction. It slowly over time, over the course of 4 months, got worse, and I was just like, oh, it's just I have sensitive skin, that's it. No, it turns out it was just an allergic reaction, and I just had to get rid of that one item that was causing it. Alright, so I'm about to put the chunky shifting leaves on my thumb. I'm just dunking my finger right in, and I'm using my glove to actually press down the glitter. And that's why I like wearing gloves when I do my nails. I don't do it often enough, and I really should. It's just when I press it down, this makes sure that the dip powder doesn't get stuck to the finger that I'm using to press down. And then I'm using my little toothpick, you can use anything you have, to kind of move the leaves into areas that I specifically want them, because I don't want a clusterfuck of leaves all over my nails. This color is absolutely gorgeous, and if you haven't seen All Powdered Up's photo of it when they advertised this color, they topped it over like 10 different powders. So this color, the Shifting Leaves, is actually a topper, and it can be used over any color you want. And I really, really love that it wasn't just the leaves thrown into a jar with clear. It was leaves with like a cute, subtle amount of glitter in it. So on my middle finger, I'm just like delicately placing the leaves, cascading upwards towards my cuticle line. They're not going to be covering the entire nail, just swooping in over on the left side all the way up. And then I'm going to like try to gently tap and ombre a little bit of loose glitter onto that. So it's kind of like a mixture of everything. So now that I have the loose glitter kind of sprinkled on there, I'm going to just dip it all in clear, and this is going to just help fill in any grooves and ridges where, because it's a chunkier glitter, you know, you have to fill in that empty space. So I'm going to activate all of my nails and do some filing, shaping, and buffing. I don't show my filing routine too much on camera often, but let me kind of show you what I do. So on the free edge where it just hangs over right there, I just hook my file in right there, and then I stick it straight up and I just file. So right here, stick it straight up, file. Do it on the other side a couple times, hook it in, file. So I don't go all the way back to the end of my nail. I used to do that, but I want more of a ballerina shape, so I do it from the free edge going forward only. I don't shape in the back towards where my like cuticle area and all that is. I mean, I do shape my cuticle area, don't get me wrong. I'm doing the toothpick trick, that helps a lot. Right now I just sprayed rubbing alcohol on my nails to sanitize it because of all the filing. I want all that dust gone before I do another layer of activator, because that dust will like ruin your activator and top coat if you leave it there. And I'm actually going in with a gel top coat, so I don't need another layer of activator, duh. So today I chose to use a gel top coat. I really like this brand's gel top coat and their base, and actually all their gels. And I have a video with their stuff coming soon, just so you guys know. But I'm going to teach you guys a trick on how to encapsulate your glitters with gel instead of using clear dip. So that might be strange, but keep watching. So what I just did is I put gel top coat on all my nails and I cured it for 60 seconds. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to buff all of that. So gel top coat is thicker than dip top coat, and when you buff it, it doesn't, if you don't buff too hard, it doesn't harm the color underneath it. So just assume that the gel top coat is your clear encapsulated layer. So I'm just going to sit here and very quickly fast forward through this, buff every single one of my nails until the gel top coat kind of smooths in over all those grooves of the glitter. So I do this to every single nail here, and by the time I'm done buffing, it is pretty darn smooth. And then I'm going to obviously sanitize my nails to get all that dust from buffing off of my nails and apply another layer of gel top coat. So this first layer was technically like the encapsulation layer to smooth everything out, and the final layer is the true gel top coat, shiny, glossy, everything is perfect layer. So I'm finishing this up and I'm going to cure this coat for 60 seconds and then I will be done with this mani. I swear it was so easy. But if you guys don't use gel top coat, don't worry, you can still... Oh, hi Harvey. My cat Harvey just said hi. She's just next to me, just purring her heart out. She's so cute and sweet. So, yeah. I'm going to apply my favorite brand cuticle oil. Absolutely love Candi skincare, and this is a scent they just came out with a couple months ago. It is so perfect for fall. I love it, and I actually have 2 bottles of it, and one's downstairs in my bedroom and one upstairs in my nail room. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and that you'll stay tuned for any future videos. Like Nail Addict LA is coming up soon and a couple other gels. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Purr City. She's so cute. I love her. And apparently she loves you guys too because she likes to interrupt my videos.